Good morning, students. Today we are going to start from question number 2, applications of trigonometry, class 10 mathematics. So, in our first class, when we have discussing question number 1, I told you that we have to draw a right angle, whatever given in the question after going through the question. Okay. So, in question number 2, if you gone through question number 2, then you will get that a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Okay, so we have considered AB is the height of the tree, that is AB equal to height of the tree. The point I have chosen D, where the tree breaks due to storm, that is in AD part the tree breaks. Okay, and this part not separated from the tree, it just associated with that tree AB D part, and the top part, that is A part, touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with the ground what is given in question. And the top of the tree which touches the ground is 8 meter away from the bottom of the tree. Okay, so we have to find the height of the tree, that is AB. So if you gone through the question, then you will get that we have to find the value of what? BD. We have to find the value of BD and that of AD. So AD is CD because AD bends as CD. Okay, so I think I have been able to given you the clue, given you the what I can say, given you the blueprint that I have written the diagram. So first we have to find the BD. So BD is the perpendicular in triangle BCD. BD is what? Perpendicular, and BC is given. So as we all know the ratio, trigonometric ratios, that perpendicular, when we have to take the ratio of perpendicular and base, then we have to consider either tan or chord. Okay, now tan 30 equal to what? Perpendicular by base, that is BD by BC, and tan 30 I have told you that you have to go through the table given in trigonometry exercise 8. You will get the standard values of all the 6 ratios. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. I am writing 1 by root 3, and BD is not given BD. BC is given as 8. So if you cross multiply this, BD into root 3 equal to 8 and BD equal to 8 by root 3. Okay, so as we are going to find the height of the tree AB, so we have to find this the length of AB as 2 parts, that is BD we have got and AD we have to got, and AD means AD here is what? CD. Okay, because AD part bends and the top part touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees. So we have to find the CD now. Again, so look at this. To find CD, BC is given, that is perpendicular, that is hypotenuse and base. Okay, so base by hypotenuse, what was given? Cos is base by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to, and sec theta is equal to what? Reciprocal to cos. So we have to choose either cos 30 or sec 30. Now I am taking cos 30 degree. Cos 30 equal to base by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Cos 30 we all know root 3 by 2 from the table given in exercise 8. BC is not given. Base by hypotenuse, that is BC by what? Not AC, BC by CD. BC by CD is 8. Okay, base by hypotenuse, sorry, base base is given as 8, CD is not given, so CD equal to, we can write 16 by root 3 meter. Okay, what we have written, CD equal to 16 by root 3 meter. Now we are to find AB, and to find AB we have to add BD and AD is nothing here, CD. Okay, now to find AB we are to add the value of BD and what, AD, and AD is the value of CD. Therefore AB equal to BD plus CD. I am writing in the bracket for your better understanding. AD equal to what? AD equal to CD. Okay. If you gone through the question and gone through the diagram and gone through my lecture, you will be able to understand how AD equal to CD. Now the value of BD is 8 by root 3. Value of CD is what? 16 by root 3. And if we take the LCM root 3, then it will be 8 plus 16, so it will be 24 by root 3. Okay, and 24 by root 3, I am saying you here that 24 can be written as 8 into 3, and it will be 8 into 3 by root 3. Okay, and 3 again can be written as root 3 into root 3. Then 1 root 3 from numerator and 1 root 3 from denominator will be cancelled, and the answer will be what? 8 root 3 meter. Okay, so if you come through, 24 can be written as 8 into 3, 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, and 1 root 3 from numerator and 1 root 3 from denominator will be cancelled, and it will be what? 8 root 3, and 8 root 3 meter will be the what? Height of the tree. Okay, so you all can write in the last line, that is, therefore height of the tree is equal to what? 8 root 3 meter. Okay, so note down this. If you come through, then you will be able to understand easily.